How we doing, Matt?
I'm doing well. I got a little text message from my buddy Chris this morning that he's on a job today.
That's right.
It's going to be really tough and really dirty and really greasy, so I'm all about that life.
Yeah.
Alright.
Get in the hood.
Put this on the valve?
Yep. Matt in the hood. That's what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. He's the man.
I want it close enough to get some droplets of some greasy water splashing right on that. Right on that GoPro case.
Don't you worry. We'll get it nice.
That's some extra bonus points for that production element.
Yeah, just wait till he starts hitting the ductwork.
Alright, I'm spraying down.
Go ahead.
How's that GoPro hanging on? Good, dude. Oh, dude, he's gonna have fun cleaning that off. Dude, you get the drone footage.
You need me to grab it? You got it?
Oh,
wow.
She might not make it.
I want AI to try to recreate that content.
I'm sorry.